Unlock the true visual potential of your Gemini AI Nano Banana creations by mastering the art of aspect ratio. Today, we're diving deep into how to choose the perfect aspect ratio for your Gemini AI Nano Banana projects, ensuring your visuals resonate across every platform and medium. Think of aspect ratio as the frame for your story. It dictates what your audience sees and how they feel it. A wider 169 is fantastic for cinematic storytelling on platforms like YouTube, immersing viewers in expansive scenes. For social media feeds, 11 square often dominates, making your content pop in busy grids by keeping the focus tight and impactful, ideal for highlighting a single, striking element. And for engaging mobile experiences, especially on platforms like Instagram Stories or TikTok, the vertical 916 format is king, filling the entire screen and drawing maximum attention. The wrong aspect ratio can chop off important details or leave awkward empty space, negatively impacting the user experience. For instance, a portrait in a landscape frame might lose crucial facial expressions. To enhance your presentation, always consider the core subject of your Gemini AI Nano Banana creation. If it's a sweeping landscape, go wide. If it's a character's face, a tighter crop might be best. Experiment with different aspect ratios during the generation process or post-creation to find what best accentuates your subject and tells your story with maximum visual impact. Choosing the right aspect ratio is your secret weapon to making your Gemini AI Nano Banana visuals unforgettable.